Here's another passenger elevator at the Grand Hotel, Mackinac Island, Michigan. All right, and here it is. Very nice elevator. It's going up to 4. We are at 4. Back up to 4 one more time. We're going to stop on 1 for parlor. Going up?
Yep.
What 4?
4. If yours feels full, yeah, special occasion. There are a lot of them. Well, I'm not sure exactly how many of them. A fair number. You look like you know what you're doing.
Have a good one.
Thank
You guys going down?
Down.
What 4?
We're going to the first floor, I guess.
The first 4?
And the second floor.
Second 4?
Going down.
Do you mind if we squeeze?
Sure. All right, you said the first in the parking?
First and second.
There we go.
Interesting. I'm in that elevator enthusiast. I go around and film elevators around the state.
Cool.
No, I'm not gonna buy off on that.
See you tomorrow, Susan.
Good night, guys.
Thank you.
Here, we'll just walk down.
Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Have a good night,
Guys,
folks.
Thank you.
Yeah, yep,
You're
good
this
luck.
way.
Thank you.
You're all the way at the end.
Right.
And we're stopping on the parlor. Almost there, guys. Going down?
We're going up, but we can go for the ride.
Can we fit all?
Yeah, come on in.
I think so. Sure, make it work. Come on in.
Right? Real cozy in here.
I think we can make it work.
Alright, where are we going?
4.
4.
I was going down.
Oh,
Oh, you're going down?
We'll go down. We'll take a ride together.
We'll take a ride, yeah.
Anybody getting out?
So then let's press 1
Yeah?
and then 4.
And that'll be it.